Hello everybody, it's Sean with Ken's Creation, and today's video is unboxing of the Cricut Autopress. Once we received the Autopress from Cricut, it was a little bigger than I thought, but that's okay because I'm going to be excited to see what's actually inside it. We're going to go ahead and take our knife and open up the box. There's only two slots that I have to open up. There's one on one side and the same thing on the other side. Makes it actually easy to open up. Let's go ahead and do that second side. And we're going to go ahead and lay that box flat. This is pretty heavy, and we'll get into that information in just a little bit. Go ahead and take the top off, and there she is, it all in its glory. We're going to go ahead and put the top off to the side, and we're going to see that there are two boxes, number 1 and number 2. We'll show you what's inside of those in just a little bit. We're going to put those off to the side. And we're going to go ahead and try to get this baby out of here. It is heavy, so be very careful or use two people. I had to get my hand up underneath the base part of the press to get underneath it so I can lift it up. And once I had it like that, I went ahead and get the other part. The lid won't come up, it's locked in there. So I went ahead and just kind of discarded the bottom part so I can use the desk top of our desk here. And go ahead and get that centered up, and the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove all the plastic that is on this machine. We're going to just pull that off. That's the lid part, and there's a couple stickers on there as well, and you guys can go ahead and rip those off as well. There's the power button, and next to it is the locking mechanism for the actual lid, and we'll show you how that works in a little bit. Here are the plugins. This is for power, and this one is for the USB for the controller, and we'll of course show you that in just a moment. In box 1, we're going to go ahead and open this one up. This took me a second. I don't know why it was so tight, but once I get the sleeve off of it, I opened it up, and inside this one is our controller. This is what will control the temperature and the time, and there are even some presets that you can put in here. This design is very cool, and of course a USB connector, and we'll show you how that gets connected in just a bit. In box 2, we'll go ahead and open up that, take the sleeve off. This was much easier to open up, and inside there of course is the power. The weight of this is a whopping 46.6 pounds, so it's pretty hefty and heavy. You may need two people to lift it up. It is 26 inches deep, that's from front to back. It is 16.5 at the widest point, which is the lid. And when it's shut, it is 6.75 inches tall. Once it's opened, like so, it stands a whopping 25.25 inches tall, which is nice because you're not going to burn yourself when you put your stuff in there. The width of the pad is 15 wide and 12 inches deep. That is the pressing area, and there is the actual heating element. Here is the controller that we're going to plug in. You just turn it on the back side. Now, if you work in Celsius, like our good friends in Canada, you just push it over there to Celsius. But of course, we are Fahrenheit, so we're going to keep it on that side. This is the mini USB connector. It just slides right in there, and it's nicely shaped, so it goes in there nice and flat. And then we're going to go ahead and take the A end and put it in. Of course, the side here, that's the solid end, that'll go to the left. And plus, it's got a slight curve to it, so it keeps the curvature of the press with it. And of course, now we're going to do our 3-prong in it as well. And this is for power. And it is nice and flush. We're going to go ahead and turn on our machine. Just push the button, it lights up, and that puts power right to the machine and to your controller. The left side, of course, is the temperature selector, and the other side is time. Once you have it on, the press will go ahead and start heating up. We're going to go ahead and use this white t-shirt, and we're going to press that for about 5 seconds to get rid of the wrinkles and the moisture. You can lift up on the handle. The handle itself actually has an unlocking mechanism, so you can just pull it right up. We use the Cricut Joy to use some Cricut Smart Iron-On. I got a new job at West Valley School District, so I thought that'd be kind of fun to do. So we went ahead and cut that out using, I believe it's kind of an iridescent red. We've set the temperature to 315 and 40 seconds. We'll speed that up real quick and listen. And just like that, it automatically opens for you. That's that auto press that I like so much. We waited about a minute to start peel off our backing, and we're gonna go ahead and do that nice and easy. Make sure we don't rip anything off. And of course, it feels like if it wants to come up, you can always press it down and wait until it's a little cooler, but mine did just fine. And there we go. West Valley, there it is. That is so simple, so easy. I love this press. It's really great. Just remember, it's heavy, though I loved it. Again, thank you for watching this video of the unboxing of the Cricut Autopress. Be sure to join us for other videos coming up soon. Bye, everybody.